I'm not going to name this person because it's ridiculous. He's a backpacker survivalist, blah, 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 who does it on a skateboard. Half of his videos are him with a skateboard, an electric skateboard, going backpacking. He's not exactly slim, to put it that way. And most of it is basically him. He's in a car, but he's pretending to be a backpacker. You'll get a scene of him going blah, 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 into the woods. I mean, I'm not skinny. I'm blubbery myself. But compared to him, I'm anorexic. And yet he obviously does not do very much, if any, hiking. But he's on about, the top things you want to do when you're doing this. And you want to do your bug out bag and lots of guns and knives, because it's America. Lots of guns. It's America. But the comments coming out with are ridiculous. And it's things like, match your bag to your gear, not your gear to your bag. That's bollocks. So basically what he's saying is, get all your stuff sorted out and then get a bag big enough to fit it in. Right. That's not how it works. You get a bag that you can comfortably accommodate on your person. See, having this matching your gear to a bag and bag to a gear stuff, it's fine if you've got a car or a truck or an SUV or a lot of Mexicans to do the Oompa Loompa work for you. That's fine. But if you're actually backpacking, as in carrying your pack upon your back, then he hasn't got much ammunition for these things. I mean, he's got all these guns, but not a lot of ammunition. Something like an air rifle would be perfect. It's lightweight enough. I don't mean a 50 caliber, for crying out loud. I mean like a 2.2 rifle. It's enough to kill a bunny at 10 yards, 10 meters. And you can carry, enough to kill a couple of thousand bunnies in your back pocket. Because little lead pellets. They don't taste nice, though. The lead pellets, not the bunnies. So yeah, this is fine if you've got a car. But all these videos are geared towards people with cars. All of his videos seem to be the same.